Hello friends, welcome back to the channel again. Code with me. So friends, in this session we will be discussing about how to get HR job and most importantly what does HR contain. So friends, this video is all about the explanation of recruitment process. So if you are applying for HR job, so this is the best video to grab some of the HR recruitment process knowledge, and it will also help you for your job application. And before diving into the core part, let's start with what is this HR recruitment. See friends, recruitment process is not all about giving a glance to the resume for a couple of seconds, inviting to the candidate, then asking the few questions and check if his skill set is eligible for the particular vacancy that we are looking for and hiring him. That is not at all a human resource or a HR recruitment process. See, recruitment process is all about of checking the better candidate rather than a good candidate. So HR people has the power of to extracting the exact and better candidate with a couple of conversation. So that is all about human resource. It takes years of experiences as well as grasping power as vast knowledge regarding the extracting of the better and extraordinary candidate. So speaking about what are the primary objectives of HR. So friends, even if you are looking for a job or even if you are a fresher, even if you are a graduate, even if you have experience of this HR field, so these are the most primary objectives that every HR has to be keep that in mind. So what are those primary objectives of HR? Starting with sourcing. So friends, as soon as you hear a word, that image has been displayed in your mind. Sourcing is all about how do you where and do gather the candidates, their biodata, details and every single thing. Okay, so sourcing, I assume that you'll be having accessible to the multiple job portals, and it's a process where you get a lot of the candidates who is exactly eligible for the post that you're looking for. So sourcing plays another most prominent role in the HR department. It's where that you extract the candidate details. Next comes screenings. So friends, screening is all about how do you check that particular candidate is eligible or suitable for the work or not. Screening round usually takes place in a mobile or a laptop, but it is to judge whether the particular candidate is eligible for this vacancy or this particular job domain or something else. So screening is a small part of objective of HR, but which plays a big role in the objective. Last but third one, scheduling. Scheduling is all about that you hire a particular candidate that you feel that this guy is particularly eligible for this candidate, then you hire him for the interview. There might be possibilities that that particular candidate will not be available on the day that particular scheduling. The scheduling process will be undergoing until you met the guy for the particular interview. Okay, so scheduling is all about how do you inviting a candidate to the company. Last but not least, follow up in the sense, friends, the last task objective of HR is a follow up, that once the particular candidate has to be followed up until he reaches the interview to the particular organization that you have joined for. So friends, this is the end of the session. So if you like this video, make sure you like, share and subscribe my channel and like my video.